area of triangle. Find area of triangle using formula. ABCD is a rectangle. A, B, C, D. Look at the grid lines, the rectangle in blue. BC is the breadth of the rectangle, and AB the length. Now triangle ABC is half of rectangle ABCD. In triangle ABC, now we have AB is perpendicular to BC. This results BC, the base, and AB, the height. So BC is here, 4 cm, AB 8 cm. Therefore, using the formula, the area of triangle ABC is half the area of rectangle ABCD. The area of the rectangle ABCD is calculated this way: length times breadth. Okay, 8 times 4, length times breadth, which is 32 cm, right? And this half of 32, okay, half of 32 cm squared is 16 cm squared. Now the 16 cm squared here is the area of the triangle shaded green. ABCD is a rectangle. Now BC is the breadth of the rectangle, and AB the length. Triangle ABC is half of rectangle ABCD. In triangle ABCD, AB is perpendicular to BC. Now BC is the base when AB is the height. Now we can determine the area of this triangle by counting the number of squares. Now let's take a look very carefully here. If you can see this rectangle over here, right? This little triangle is actually the same size, exactly the same size as this over here. Now if you place this down, we will form 1 cm square. So we have 1 cm here, 2, 3, and look at this rectangle here. A line drawn across with this small little triangle. Place it down, it will form the next cm square. So altogether we have 4 cm square. We have 5, the 5th, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The same thing. This small little triangle, place it down, it becomes a complete square unit, alright, complete cm square. So that's number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and finally 16 with this portion here, right? Push it down here. So we have exactly 16 squares in this whole triangle. Now let's take a look. The area of triangle ABC is actually there are 16 squares, and the measurement is each of the square is a cm squared. You times 16 and the area is 16 cm square. Now find the area of triangle ABC with the base 6 cm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the height 4 cm. Right? AD is the height, BC the base. The area of triangle ABC is actually the area of triangle ABD and the area of triangle ADC. ABC is actually made up of two triangles, ABD and ADC. Alright, just by adding them together. Now with formula, half times area of rectangle, this time FBDA. Okay, this rectangle over here, all right, FBDA with the base 2 cm and the height 4 cm. So this is over here 2 times 4 cm is actually the area of rectangle FBDA, right? So 2 times 4 is 8. However, if you want to find the area of triangle ABD is half the area of this rectangle FBDA. So 8 divided by 2 gives you 4. The area is 4 cm squared. And now for the next triangle, the same applies. The height is 4 and the base is 4. You have 4 times 4, 16 divided by 2. The area gives you 8 cm squared. Now, so this 4 cm squared here is this portion, and 8 cm square is this portion. Okay, let's continue. Therefore, the area of triangle ABC is by adding up 8 cm square, 4 cm square, altogether 12 cm square. Now the area of rectangle FBCE is the rectangle 6 cm times the breadth 4 cm, which is actually 24 cm square. If you count the number of squares in this blue rectangular stuff here, it's actually 24. Now therefore a triangle within this boundary here is always half. Therefore half of 24 is 12 cm square. The area of the triangle here is half of the area of the rectangle. So half times area of the rectangle first, which was 6 times 4, length times breadth of the rectangle, resulting in 24 cm squared. So when you times the half, right, in total it gives you half times 6 times 4, which is 12. Now you can see it the other way around. The base, the formula for the area of a triangle, the base, is actually BC. BC is also the length of this rectangle FBCE. Can you see? Base BC is the same 6 cm, the length of the rectangle, and the height AD, right, if you shift it here, it's exactly the same as the breadth FB of the rectangle FBCE, right? So whatever you have learned in the previous video, AD becomes the height, BC the base of the triangle, allowing you to find the area of the triangle, which is ABC. Now if you take a look here, we are going down to do a bit of understanding of how a triangle is actually half the size or the area of a rectangle. Right, the first one, with the base here, we can have the height of the triangle at the corner, at just the corner of the base. Right, this forms a right angle triangle with the vertex on top here. And when you shift this top part here to somewhere at the center, it will look something like this. This time round, the vertex is not here, it has been shifted to the center. This is another way of looking how we can count number of squares within this triangle. And of course, finally, for this over here, right at the bottom, the base, okay, the vertex is away from the base, right here, P, right, forming the height PS below. Now the first method, the cut and paste method, count the number of squares. Now if you see very carefully, this portion here is exactly equal, bring it down here to this portion. So the area of this triangle is half of the area of this whole rectangle, right? By bringing this portion down, exactly, you can see that the yellow portion is now half of the overall, right? At a glance, you can see that there are 24 squares, and the yellow portion occupies half of them, which is 12. So the number of squares units is 12. Therefore, the area of this triangle is actually 12 square units. Now next, with the another cut and paste method, where the vertex has been shifted from the corner to somewhere, all right, within this, okay. Now what we can have here is the purple portion you can place down to the spot which is shown here, and the pink to the spot. Overall we have 16, right, 1 2 3 4, yes, 16 square units, and the color portion occupies exactly, oh yes, 8 units here, which is half of the overall 16 units. So number of square units is 8. Area of the triangle, this triangle seen in this perspective, is 8 square units. Therefore, area of triangle is actually half base times height. Over here, where the vertex is out, away from the baseline, the same thing can happen. Look at this whole thing. The red box is away, Now area of triangle PQR, this whole triangle, is actually the area of the rectangle WQRV. Now exactly where the rectangle is actually WQRV. Alright, this small portion here, okay, is the same as this whole thing. Right, just look at the color, yellow. The green portion has been brought down, okay, and this pink portion shifted, right, just like this. So the whole area of this, where QR is the breadth and RV is the length of this rectangle, has the same area of this triangle. Right, half area of rectangle UQRT, okay. So the length of this rectangle here, alright, the length is TR and the breadth is QR, okay. TR the length and the breadth QR. So half of it, after calculation, it is this. It becomes the area here, WQRV. You may pause this video a while just to take a look and try to understand further. Now what I do is I'll just zoom for you, and you may just take a closer look. Okay, let's continue. Right, so half QR, which is the base of the triangle here, QR, and the height. The height can actually be UQ, TR, or PS. They are the same, right? Resulting in half base, which is QR, and the height from here. Now at this juncture, find the area of each shaded triangle. Right, there's no need for you to draw any grid boxes. Just use the formula to determine the area of triangle A and triangle B. Now take note, the perpendicular angle is here. This line cuts down this line. Either one. This could be the base, this could be the height, or this is the height and this is the base. So are you able to determine the area of this triangle? How about this? Where is the base? Right, let's carry on. So the area of this shaded figure A is half times 6 times the 51, right? This 6 could be the height of the base over here, and 51 is here, okay, resulting in 153 cm square. And next, area of shaded figure, let's determine the length. This is the length, which is 48, and can also be the base of the triangle, and this 25 cm here is the height of the triangle. So of the calculation here, half of 48 times 25, right, it should give you 600 cm square. Now you have to complete your exit pass by finding area of shaded triangle please do write the solutions in this the given worksheet here and this. Right, take a look where the height is, where the base is. Right, the triangle is actually the shaded portion, not this portion here and this portion here. Well, all the best to you, and do continue to look through this video again if you have any doubt, or just ask questions among yourself and have further discussion. Thank you very much.